Is this on? I guess it's on. I'm just kidding. I know it's on. Welcome to this week's video. In this video we are looking at this sign here, 23 by 9 pine finished with a special walnut stain. Become a lead for Matt Sheldon. He runs a YouTube channel, Become a Lead. I'll put the link in the description. Go and check it out. Lots of soccer drills, football drills, how-tos, how to train, how to become a footballer, stuff like that. Really good content. Go and check him out. He's a good friend of mine. He used to coach Philip. Unfortunately, we had to drop out of his program because of time issues. And 2 years ago, I think it is, almost 2 years ago, when my daughter Sophia had a stroke, I called him up like 2 days after Sophia had her stroke, and I asked him if he can FaceTime with Philip, my son, and kind of build him up, because we were like down, about the lowest you can get in life when your daughter is fighting for her life. Yeah, Matt, he FaceTimed with Philip for quite some time, and encouraged him to stay strong. So I really appreciated that. That's not every day that a professional soccer player just hops on FaceTime and talks to your son or talks to Philip. That's just that's amazing. But besides that, ever since, Matt has been a great supporter. I think about a year ago now, he did a shout out for Sophia on his channel at the end of his one of his videos, and talked about Sophia and kind of called for some donations, and the video went up, and like a couple hours after, we had like $800-900 in donations that came in from people from all over the world. And so thank you again for your support in this matter. This means a whole lot to us. In last May, or a couple of weeks ago, in May, we went to Tulsa to see him play and got to meet him in person, and he was injured, so we got to hang out and watch the game, but that was fun. It was a draw, but that's okay. 2 weeks ago, they came to Oklahoma City, played here in OKC. We went to see him, and another draw, but that's okay as well. Talked to him after the game a little bit, made it into the vlog. That was cool. Thank you very much. So I thought, to say thank you and show that we really appreciate you, Matt. Made you a little sign. So hope you like it. I will send it on the way right as soon as I'm done with this video. And so let's take a look how we made this sign here. I made it a couple days ago. Peace.
Thank you for watching. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.
See, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.
Okay, what do you want to say to the camera?
Hello.
Hi.
What's up, Buttercup?
Oh man, you're funny.
Your face is funny.
My face is funny? No, your face is funny.
Your hat is funny.
Yeah, that's a hat. That's a nice hat. No. Oh yeah. Good job. All right. Peace out.
Peace out.